Hi, today we're going to work on lesson 4-8 in our math book. It starts on page 273, and today we're going to be solving word problems with facts up to 20. So on page 273, our word problem says, some books are on a shelf. Aiden puts 4 more books on the shelf. Now there are 12 books. How many books were there on the shelf to start? Use objects, drawings, or equations to show your thinking. Well, as soon as I see the word some, I picture in my mind this fact family. All right, and I know that one of the boxes is going to be empty. That's the one we have to figure out. So this is the some books. Aiden puts 4 more on there. So this is where the 4 more go on that side. And now there are a total of 12. So our big number is 12. So now I know that I have 4 and I have 12, and I'm missing my small number, the number of books I started with. So now I have 12. Take away these 4 will give me whatever's missing. So again, I like starting at 4 and counting up to 12. So I'm going to be at 4, and I'm going to count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do I have up? 8. So I'm missing 8 dots. Now I could have drawn the dots in there as I counted instead of using my fingers. But 12 take away 4 equals 8. There were 8 books to start. All right, let's look on page 274. At the top it says, Hunter has some pencils. He gives 6 of them to Margot. Now Hunter has 5 pencils. How many pencils did Hunter start with? So again, he started with some pencils. I don't know. I right away want to make my boxes. So he started with some pencils and he gave 6 of them to Margot. Oh, so he's giving away. So what he started with is our missing number. That's the total number of pencils. He gave 6 of them away. And now he has 5 pencils. So what did he start with? All right, so it says, write an equation. He started with something. He gave 6 away. Now he has 5. So now we can add to find our answer. The 6 he gave away plus the 5 he has now is a total of 11. So 11 take away 6 equals 5. We kind of had to work backwards on that one because we didn't know what he started with. Number 1, Cal rides his bike on Monday. He rides 8 miles on Tuesday. He rides a total of 14 miles in all. How many miles did Cal ride on Monday? So here we're missing the miles on Monday. We know that he rode 8 miles on Tuesday for a total of 14. So we need to start at 8 and count up to 14. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many miles did he ride on Monday? 6. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. All right, it is time now to pause the video, do the work on pages 275 and 276. When you're done, go ahead and turn the video on and we will check together. All right, on page 275, we are writing an equation to match the story. Then we solve. Maggie wrote 9 pages of a story yesterday. She writes some more pages today. She writes 12 pages in all. How many pages did Maggie write today? So she wrote 9 yesterday. She wrote some more today. We don't know what. A total of 12. So we're going to add yesterday's pages to today's pages to get 12. So if I was going to draw my box, we made 9 yesterday, something today to get 12. Yes. So we're going to start at 9 and count up to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. So she wrote 3 pages today. Number 3, Gemma has 6 games. Chris has 13 games. How many fewer games does Gemma have than Chris? So how many fewer means take away. So we look at the biggest number, Chris. Chris has 13 games. We take away the 6 that Gemma had, and that will tell us how many extras were hanging over. Oh, but I already wrote your answer, 7. So if I draw the picture, I'm going to draw 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So each X is a game. Gemma has 6, so I'm going to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw a line right there where that 6 ends, and these are all of the extra games that Chris had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Gemma had 7 fewer games than Chris. Number 4, Lily has 4 fewer ribbons than Dora. Lily has 7 ribbons. How many ribbons does Dora have? All right, so Lily has less, fewer means less, than Dora. Lily has 7, so let's draw the 7 that Lily has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what that says, this says that Lily actually has less than Dora. So we're going to have to give Dora more. We're going to have to give Dora 4 more. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like Lily. And then, oh, wait a minute. Sorry, Lily has 7 ribbons. That's 7 fewer than Dora. Yes, so now we're going to draw the 4 more that Dora has. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was very confusing the way it was worded, huh? So now we start with the 7 that Lily had. We add the 4 more. And that gives us a total of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, let's look on the back. Will has 11 toy cars. How many can he put in his red case and how many in his blue case? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. Well, this one we don't know how many he can put in each one, so we can just kind of come up with something. He has 11 toys. Here's his red case. Here's his blue case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that case. And we want to get up to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one way that we could do this, there's several different ways. We could say 6 in the red case plus 5 in the blue case gives us the 11. There are other ways that you could have solved it. You could have put 2 in one box and then 9 in another. There's lots of different ways to get to that 11. But however you draw it, that's how you're going to make your addition fact. Number 6, write an addition and subtraction equation to match the problem. John has 5 oranges. Tiana has 12 oranges. How many more oranges does Tiana have than John? So we could say Tiana has the most, 12. Take away the 5 that John has, and that will tell us how many extras. That answer is 7. We could also add. We could say 5 that John has plus some amount will give us the 12 that Tiana has. And that number would be 7. Tiana has 7 more oranges than John. Number 7. Mackenzie picks some apples. She eats 3 apples. Now she has 9. How many apples did Mackenzie pick to start? So again, I need to draw my box. She picked some apples. She ate 3, which means that she's going to take away. So what she picked was the biggest number. She ate 3. She now has 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did she start with? So now we're going to add these together. Now I have 9, 10, 11, 12. So she started with 12. Then she ate the 3. Now she has the 9. All right, it is time for you to do the homework practice, pages 277 and 278. When you are done, turn the video back on and we can check your answers. All right, hopefully you have found your answers, and let's go ahead and check. Jim picks some red flowers. He also picks 7 yellow flowers. He picks 15 flowers in all. How many red flowers did Jim pick? So again, I like my boxes. Okay, it says he picked some red. We don't know. He also picks 7 yellow. He picks a total of 15 in all. So we have 7. We need to figure out how many more we need to get to 15. So let's count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many do we have to add in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. So how many red flowers did he have to get? Was the 8. All right, page 278. Sloan has $13. She spends $5 at the store. How many dollars does Sloan have left? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. So she starts with 13. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 10 frame. 11, 12, 13. She spends 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does she have left? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 13, take away the 5, equals 8. She has $8 left. Number 3, write an addition and subtraction equation to match the problem. Then solve. Lee has 14 crackers. Joe has 8 crackers. How many more crackers does Lee have than Joe? So how many more tells us take away? So the biggest number is 14. Take away the smaller number, and that will tell you how many extras Lee has. 14 take away 8 is 6. And then if we use our fact family information and change to an addition, we add our 2 smaller numbers. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So how many more did Lee have? 6 more. Number 4, Charlie makes some muffins for a bake sale. Then he makes 8 more muffins. Now he has 11 muffins. How many muffins did Charlie make at first? So if I make my box, he made some muffins. Then he makes 8 more, and now he has a total of 11. So what is missing? He made 8, and now he has 11. So now I have to start at 8 and count up to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. We're missing 3 of them here for 11. So letter D is correct. All right, please take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher, and have a great afternoon.